RRB Nursing Officer. Okay. So RRB Nursing Officer series 1.1. Okay. The first video of the series. Okay. This is the first video of the series. So we are going to start with the very basics today. Okay. We are going to start with very basics. That is the very first topic, that is of the cell and tissue. That is the cell and the tissue. That is the of the anatomy. Okay, anatomy subject for the cell and the tissue. So most of them have the idea about this topic, but in depth they won't have the idea, and therefore they get their answers wrong. So we are going to see about that. So first, anatomy. Anatomy is science of body structure. It is the science of body structure. Okay, well as physiology. Physiology is what? It is the science of body function. It is the science of function. Okay, it is the science of body function. Anatomy is the science of body structure, right? Now these are divided into 6 levels of structure. These are divided into how many? These are divided into 6 levels of structure. 6, you get 6 level structure. In that 6 level structure, what all comes, that we will say. That is a chemical. First is the chemical level. Okay. Second, cellular level. Everybody knows about the cellular level. Then tissue level. Tissue level. Organ level. That is next. That is the organ level. Okay. Then system level. SYSTM, system level. And the last is, that is the body level. That is the body level. Okay, so most of them know the cellular level, tissue level, organ level, okay, body level, system level. But many of them, those who are listening over here, they might not know about the chemical level. Okay, they might not know about the chemical level. So you will see detail about this chemical level. Okay, so now let's see. That is chemical level. Chemical level. So in chemical level, it is smallest unit of human anatomy and physiology is atom. You know, in chemical, smallest unit of human anatomy. If it is asked, that is what we call it as atom. Very important. It can be asked. Okay, so it is the smallest unit. Okay. The next, there are almost 26 elements found. 26 elements are found in the body. Okay, from which 4 are common. That is O2 is common, nitrogen is common, hydrogen is common, and what next? That is H2. Hydrogen is common, carbon is common. Okay, the O2 is common and nitrogen is common, H2 is common. So O2 is the how many percentage in the body? That is the most, that is 65%. Then nitrogen is less, that is 3%. while hydrogen is 9.5%, and carbon is also in major percent, that is 18.5%. Okay, so total all these four combines to form the 96% of the body major element. So these all are known as the major elements. What these all are known as? These all are known as the major elements. Then the remaining, we saw this four. Then the remaining eight are the called less elements. Eight are called less elements, and other 14, remaining the 14, are trans elements. Okay, so this all comes in the chemical unit. Okay, now if we see about the, we will see, go back, we saw about the, here we saw about the chemical level. Okay, what we do, we saw about the chemical level. Now what is cellular? Most of them know the cellular is molecule, one molecule plus another molecule forms a cell. Here it is molecule plus molecule. What does it forms? Cell. Okay, that is the cellular. One molecule is formed by molecule, it is formed by atom plus atom. Okay, so atom plus atom, molecule plus molecule, cell, right? And cell is the basic and structural unit of life. Basic and structural unit of life is the cell that we got. Okay, everybody knows. Then about the cellular level, we will see that is the cell plus cell, tissue level. Then tissue plus tissue performing same function, that is the organ level. Then organ plus organ, here we got organ plus organ, two organs or three organs, major organs performing same functions, that comes in the system. And system plus system, one system, that is nervous system, circulatory system, these all systems work together to form a body level functioning. Okay, so we get about the cell tissue, that is anatomy, physiology, six level structure, that is chemical, cellular, tissue, organ, body, systemic, and body. And we mostly discussed major things about the chemical level. So that is the smallest unit we called as atom. 26 elements are there. From which four are common, that is oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon, hydrogen, and eight less elements are called, and 14 other 14s are called as the trans element. These terms are very important. Okay, the basic life processes. Next we will see the basic life processes. The basic life processes, basic life process. Okay, in the basic life processes there are different processes, that is metabolic, second response to stimuli, responsiveness, third is movement, fourth growth, fifth development, and last is reproduction. Okay, if one is stopped, if from this any of the one is stopped, it leads to death. Okay, and in metabolic there are two, that is anabolic